The evolutionary psychology of male attraction, understanding preferences for youth, blonde hair, larger breasts, and beauty. Human attraction is a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and cultural factors. Among these, certain preferences exhibited by men have been widely discussed and debated. This article explores the evolutionary psychology behind why men might prefer younger women, blondes, women with larger breasts, and those deemed beautiful. These preferences, often rooted in deep-seated evolutionary and reproductive strategies, continue to shape contemporary social dynamics and perceptions of attractiveness. Preference for younger women, fertility and reproductive potential. One of the most frequently cited reasons men prefer younger women is tied to fertility. From an evolutionary standpoint, youth is often associated with reproductive health and potential. Younger women typically have higher fertility rates, lower risks of genetic mutations in offspring, and longer remaining reproductive lifespans compared to older women. Evolutionary psychologists argue that these preferences have developed to enhance reproductive success. Men who were naturally inclined to seek younger partners would have had more opportunities to pass on their genes, thereby reinforcing this preference over generations. This does not imply a conscious calculation, but rather an instinctual bias that influences attraction. Preference for blondes, signals of youth and deceptive aging. The preference for blonde hair can be partly understood through the lens of signaling theory in evolutionary biology. Blonde hair is often associated with youth, as natural blonde hair tends to darken with age. Thus, a preference for blondes might be an unconscious bias towards youthful traits, which signal fertility. Moreover, blonde hair can serve as a deceptive indicator of age. Older women who dye their hair blonde may appear younger, aligning with societal and evolutionary biases that favor youthful appearance. This may explain why the preference persists even when blonde hair can be easily altered through cosmetic means. Preference for larger breasts, perceived indicators of age and health. Preferences for larger breasts have also been analyzed through an evolutionary lens. One theory suggests that larger breasts might be perceived as a sign of reproductive maturity and health. However, it is crucial to note that breast size does not directly correlate with fertility or health. Another aspect of this preference is related to age perception. As women age, they might experience changes in breast tissue and firmness. Larger breasts might therefore be perceived as a buffer against aging, maintaining a youthful appearance longer. This could explain why men might unconsciously associate larger breasts with prolonged youthfulness and reproductive viability. Preference for beauty, health, genetic fitness, and perceived honesty. Beauty standards often emphasize traits that are indicators of health and genetic fitness. Symmetry, clear skin, and proportional features are commonly associated with good health, lower levels of disease, and robust genetics. Evolutionary psychologists suggest that men might prefer beautiful women because these traits signal a higher likelihood of healthy offspring. Additionally, studies have shown that people often attribute positive qualities, such as honesty and kindness, to those who are physically attractive. This halo effect can lead men to prefer beautiful women, not just for reproductive reasons but also because of the positive social and psychological traits they are assumed to possess. The cultural context of attraction. While evolutionary theories provide a framework for understanding these preferences, it is essential to recognize the significant role of culture. Media, societal norms, and cultural narratives shape and reinforce these biases. Preferences for youth, blonde hair, larger breasts, and beauty are amplified by cultural representations in advertising, entertainment, and fashion industries. Moreover, individual preferences can vary widely based on personal experiences, socialization, and cultural background. It is critical to approach the topic with an understanding that attraction is multifaceted and influenced by a blend of innate predispositions and societal constructs. Conclusion. The preferences exhibited by men for younger women, blondes, larger breasts, and beauty can be partially explained by evolutionary psychology, where reproductive strategies and health indicators play a crucial role. However, these preferences are also significantly shaped by cultural influences and individual variations. Understanding these dynamics provides insight into the complex nature of human attraction and highlights the interplay between biology and culture in shaping our perceptions of beauty and desirability.